Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video we have to solve for y from this equation. So stay tuned and let's learn together. Now from the question we're given y exponent 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now from here we are going to have y to the power 4 minus, then you can rewrite 16 as 2 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to rewrite y exponent 4 as y to the power 2 all exponent 2 minus, then I'm also going to rewrite 2 to the power 4 as 2 exponent 2 all exponent 2 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form a squared minus b squared, and in this case we can express this as a minus b multiplying a plus b, and so from here y squared turns out to be our a, and then 2 squared turns out to be our b. So we are going to have y squared minus b, and then b is 2 squared multiplying a plus b, and a is y squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Now again, this is of this form again, so we can also rewrite this as this one. In other words, this is difference of 2 squared, so we can rewrite this as y minus 2 multiplying y plus 2, or multiplying y squared plus 2 squared gives 4, and this will be equal to 0. So from here we have 3 factors, and we can equate this to 0, this to 0, and this also to 0. So let's go ahead and do that. Now you are going to have, when y minus 2 is equal to 0, you are going to have y to be equal to 2. And then we are also going to set y plus 2 to be equal to 0. So we are going to have y plus 2 to be equal to 0, and so y will be equal to minus 2. Then we are going to set y squared plus 4 to be equal to 0. So we set y squared plus 4 to be equal to 0. So y squared will be equal to minus 4. So you're going to have y to be equal to plus or minus the square root of minus 4. And so from here, we are going to have y to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 times square root of minus 1. So y will be equal to plus or minus square root of 4, and then square root of negative 1 gives an I, which is complex. So we are going to multiply square root of 4 by I. And so we are going to have y to be equal to square root of 4i, and we're also going to have y to be equal to minus square root of 4i.